in the Maryland Criminal Code does it say you cannot have an offensive political sign? Because free speech is not open to your interpretation.
I understand. We just got a call for it. And
I understand you got a call. You made your best shot. I'm not leaving because I haven't broken any law.
Cool. Awesome. So this dude said he's going to file a false police report on camera. Like what a dumb comment to make. None of your business.
No, I'm the chief here.
Okay.
I want to know
Good
what
job,
you're doing
Chief.
here and how you got here.
Doesn't matter how I got here. It's none of your business.
You're either going to tell me or you're going to tell the sheriff.
That's what you think.
I've asked you to leave. Guess what? Oh, you won. Hey, you won. You won. Oh my God! I read it so.
I'm just letting you know, man. We reached out to our manager for full procedure on this and where you're supposed to be and everything.
Hey, how's it going, sir?
How you doing, sir?
Doing all right. What you up to today?
Huh?
What you up to today?
About 5'8".
5'8"?
5'8". Last time I checked.
No, what are you up to? Like, what are you doing?
A fire station suddenly becomes hotter than any blaze it is meant to contain. Do you actually have the right to touch the tires of a Ferret truck purchased with taxpayer money? Can someone drive a less message truck across a city to criticize public officials? Are you legally allowed to film inside government buildings or stand outside a Starbucks recording video without breaking any rules? It may sound simple, but in the United States, questions like these have sparked a wave of intense confrontations between citizens, police officers, public employees, and private businesses. Let's take a closer look at what actually happened. The opening of today's case takes us to a place often seen as a symbol of putting out fires, both literally and figuratively, a fire station in Rio Vista, California. But this time, the station becomes the center of a tense confrontation between the right to record in public and the strong reactions from those inside.
This chick's getting on her phone. Oh yeah, she's trying to take a picture. I knew it. Came back. Hey, don't erase that. You just made a public record. I'm going to request it, lady. You heard me. If you do, you committed a crime.
Can't touch the vehicle.
What was that?
Can you please stop putting your feet on our rig?
Oh, I'm just checking the tires out. Oh, I'm just checking the tires out.
No, that's not okay.
That's okay.
You can't touch it.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
Yeah, we can touch them.
This is private property. You can't touch the vehicle. What are you doing, sir?
No, we can touch them. That's why I'm touching it.
Please stop.
Listen, I can touch the vehicle all I want.
Stop touching the vehicle.
No.
Why are you touching it?
I can touch the vehicles all I want.
One thing that's public property technically for you to take.
It's private, right?
But we're asking you to not touch our private property. Taking pictures of a public building is one thing.
This is somebody's private vehicle?
Why would you go to a fire station and just...
Is this somebody's private vehicle? Well, I haven't kicked anything.
You just did. We
Yeah,
saw it twice.
this is not kicking. This is putting my foot and checking a tire. This is somebody's private vehicle. Is this what you said?
This is property of the station.
Huh? Which is public.
Yeah, property of the station.
Which is public.
That doesn't mean
The
that you
public
can touch
can't.
it.
It does. Yeah.
Touching it.
Not true.
Kicking it is a different thing.
That's not true. And I didn't kick anything. I have it on camera. This is public property. This is not private property. It's all public.
This is a
That's
private
fine.
company.
Film it. Okay.
You're a private company. River Delta is a private company?
No, I'm not River Delta.
Okay, well, I don't know who you are, but this is River Delta, so.
It's a private ambulance company. We share property.
Oh, well, you could be private, but they're public, so doesn't matter what you are. If they're public, we're allowed to be here. So.
You're allowed to be here. You're not
Correct.
allowed to just
You're
go
allowed
to a
to
fire
be here.
station
You're
and
allowed to
touch-
film. You're
touch
allowed to
vehicles.
do all
Yes,
that.
we can. We can do. Let me ask you a question. What law would say that I couldn't touch this vehicle?
You think you can just go to any fire station? And just
Yeah.
touch the vehicle?
Yep. For sure.
Why?
Why couldn't you? Right? This is a public vehicle. This is public property. This is owned by the public. It's not owned by you guys. It's owned by the public. It's paid for by the public. There's no law that says I can't come touch this vehicle like you're saying. All I did was check the tire. I don't see what the issue was there. It's not like I'm trying to hop in the vehicles, right?
If you're here and you're touching it and you're damaging the vehicles, that is a huge issue because if the vehicle no longer becomes functional, how can we use it for our job?
That's cute. What did you see me do that could potentially damage this vehicle?
You kicked it.
I kicked it. So this putting my foot here like this and pushing could potentially damage the vehicle? Is that really your claim?
Yes.
It could.
Oh boy. It's crazy.
Cops on their way.
That's fine. The cops are going to tell you guys nothing they can do, and you guys should just go back to work. So their claim here is me potentially damaging the vehicle, if I'm understanding them right, is touching it like I did with my hand when he told me not to touch it like this, and kicking. This is their kicking, me putting my foot up here and pushing on the tire. This is potentially damaging this. What is it, a 2500? That's probably a 1500, maybe a 2500 rig. Let's see, is it diesel? So this is probably, I don't see their can. Anyway, I'm done speaking with these people here, so we can go ahead and continue what I'm doing. So yeah, this is public property. Okay, I have every right to be here. I have every right to come and record. If I feel like checking a tire, I can do that, right? There's nothing stopping me because this is public. All you guys are just public servants. You work for the public. You're not, but I don't care. I'm not even speaking with you. So you're interjecting yourself in the conversation. I have no conversation with you at all. Go ahead. Well, yeah, wait for him. Wait for him. They're just going to say, there's nothing we can do. Can I get all your guys' names, by the way? No. But I'm not talking to you. Stop interjecting yourself. You want to be so important. I don't understand why. Yeah, I do. You work for the public. I need your name.
He's not lying.
Silence.
He's not lying.
Hey, raise your hand if you want to talk, bud. Listen, raise your hand if you want to talk to me. I need your names because you guys are public employees, and because of what you're telling me and the way you're acting, I'm going to file complaints against you. It's called a citizen complaints.
They're volunteers.
Doesn't matter. They're working for the public. This he just has to say something. Look at this guy. Let me know who this guy is, ladies and gentlemen. We'll get all his Facebook info and all that shit.
Well known.
Get a good picture of him. Anyways, yeah, you guys have to identify yourselves. You're firefighters, right?
I don't have to. I'm not on call. Who are you?
You're a firefighter. I'm asking your name. You have to identify yourself. And better check your policy because I know your policy.
You don't?
Yeah, I do. I don't. It's right there on the internet. I don't know your policy. Yeah, you have to identify yourself to a member of the public when they're asking your name. Especially if they're going to file a complaint against you, like I'm saying. How do I file a complaint if I don't know your name? Okay, I'll get it. You're not going to give it to me right now, but I'll get your name. It's fine. I'll get all your guys' names. Because what I do is I'll file a public information request. I'll take pictures and screenshots of my video, send them in, get everybody's name, salary, your employee file. You clearly have an attitude problem, so you probably have some issues in your employee file, and we'll get that and put it out there too. So yeah, you got like a little kid attitude. You're a bit young. No, it's.
Come over to my brand new truck and start kicking it.
It's not yours.
It's part of my department, and
It is the public's. I pay for this shit. You paid for it?
Yes.
Well, how? How does the department get money, sir?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it? I know about it. They get money from taxes. My taxes pay for this.
This whole department is volunteer, sir.
So volunteer, good. Thank you for your service. Doesn't matter if you volunteer. This is all paid for by tax money. So great, you guys volunteer. You're a fire department. You work for the public. You get paid for by public tax dollars. Period. Right? Is that correct? You agree? None of you guys are paid. Okay. Well, either way, this is all paid for by public tax dollars. So I can record them. What? It doesn't matter. Public tax dollars.
You might be part of that public. This is a special district. It's not a regular.
It doesn't matter. Special districts have public records too. I do this out special water districts, all kind of places. So.
Job, nothing better to do. Bother people.
Don't have a regular job. I'm working right now.
Yeah, you don't have a regular job. Just bother people.
Just bothering people. I didn't come up to you guys at all. You came up to me.
You drove out the middle of nowhere.
I came out and started looking at stuff and taking pictures. I haven't talked to you. I'm not bothering you. You're bothering me. You're actually stopping me.
Not there before you got here.
Okay. Your point. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
In fact, that's actually what I'm going to report.
Yeah, report it. You're going to report that I did that? Awesome. Well, do it. I hope you do. Yeah, so I didn't have none of that, right? Cool, awesome. So this dude said he's going to file a false police report on camera, like what a dumb comment to make. Well, on camera, he's going to file a false police report and say that I did some damage to this vehicle.
I just said that wasn't there before you got here.
No, you said, I'm going to report that you did that.
I'm going to report that was out.
All right. I'm done talking to you, bro. You're just not intelligent enough to have this conversation. Anyways, Public property. I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing, then I'll be on my way. See you guys later. Oh, boy. I always find it funny when it's like, don't touch our vehicles. Don't touch this. Bro, why are you claiming ownership over a public vehicle? Private vehicles, I won't touch. I'll take pictures of them, but I won't touch them. You guys called the sheriffs? They're going to take forever.
That's fine.
It's fine? Oh, well, to you. That one, that's 25 tag. Awesome. You want to not try to bump into me and get away from me, buddy? Yeah, trying to bump into me. I see what you're doing. Right, 25 tag. Here we got a March 20. Ooh, hiccups. March 24, huh? That one's out of date. This one's 25. This guy, he likes to get close. Just a couple feet away. He likes to stay real close to me. It was funny. So you guys got something better to do than just stand around?
Stand around and
standing around. Yeah, like the one I already damaged, right? Yeah.
Are you gonna touch the vehicles?
Huh?
Are you gonna touch and damage the vehicles?
Am I gonna touch and damage the vehicles? I'm not gonna damage anything.
Photos. How can I tell you're not gonna damage the vehicles?
I mean, it's really not your job to be able to tell or not.
To make sure that
That's awesome.
vehicles aren't damaged. I think that's something that we should care about. Is it not?
Care about your vehicle. But what do you see me doing? Do you see me? Let me see.
That's why we're here, to make sure.
I don't see any rocks. Do you see me picking up rocks and throwing them at your vehicle, or coming out with a hammer and busting your windows? See me on the public vehicles.
Yeah.
Yep, which I can do. Have every right to do it.
Parked right
So,
next to the private ones.
and did you see me touch a private one? I'm sure you guys heard me. Now the private ones I won't touch. I'll take pictures of them, but I won't touch. I just said it. I just said it, but you don't want to listen.
Lots of possibilities.
You just want to argue. It's your thing. You probably been watching these videos. You've been waiting for your chance to act a fool on them and see yourself on YouTube. You're doing a good job. Thank you. I appreciate it. You're making me money, so good job, bud. All right, there's a good picture of him.
I'm a YouTube fan.
Get him his thumbnail. He didn't get made fun of is what's gonna happen. Oh boy.
I remember to moisturize today.
All right. Oh, did those. Don't need to do those. Excuse me, fellas. There you go. What else?
Is that black pickup over there yours?
What's that?
Is that black pickup that parked behind the trees over there yours?
No, I don't got a black pickup.
Whose pickup is it then?
No, I have no clue.
How'd you get here?
None of your business. I don't know who you are, bud. None of your business.
No, I'm the chief here.
Okay.
I want to know
Good
what
job,
you're doing
Chief.
here and how you got here.
Doesn't matter how I got here. It's none of your business.
You're either going to tell me or you're going to tell the sheriff.
That's
One
what
of
you
the two.
think.
Okay?
That's what you think. That's fine.
That's what I know.
Okay.
Okay?
Good for you.
Okay.
Cool. What's your name?
Chief Gardner.
Oh, good to meet you.
I'll give you my telephone number too. I'll give you my wife's name if you want.
I could look it up. I'm sure I'll be able to get it.
I'm sure you can.
Look at this dude. Blood pressure's through the roof right now.
Film all you want.
I know. So what's the issue?
That black pickup over there is not yours.
I told you I don't have a pickup.
Okay, so
What's the issue?
I'm going to run the plates right now. It's not going to come back
What
to you.
is your issue?
We have your name, right? We have his name? We do have his name.
When did you get my name?
You can make it real easy if you tell me it's yours, because I'm going to run the plate.
Go ahead. And thank you for as a firefighter running a random vehicle's plates that you really don't have a right to run. I'm glad you said it on camera.
We got an open station over here.
Uh-huh.
And you're over here with film.
Yeah,
filming everything.
correct.
And we've had thieves out of here.
Well, I'm not
You're out
stealing.
here filming
You
all
said
the
I'm
cars.
filming. You never said stealing, right? Oh, this guy. You need to take your blood pressure meds, bud. Jeez, you're gonna have a heart attack, man. He said, "I'm gonna go run those plates." Oh, so that's where they get it from. This is why the gentleman who told me to come over here, because they're gonna act like this, told me to come over here. He specifically said this guy's name as well. That's funny. Oh my goodness. This is hilarious. Well, now I know why he said, hey man, they're gonna act crazy because you guys, obviously your chief acts like an idiot, so.
For by tax money. So great. You guys volunteer. You're a fire department. You work for the public. You get paid for by public tax dollars. Period. Right. Is that correct? You agree? None of you guys are paid? No. Okay. Well, either way, this is all paid for by public tax dollars. So I can record them. What? You don't know if it doesn't matter. Public tax dollars. I'm not even part of that public. Just special district. It's not a regular. Doesn't matter. Special districts have public records too. I do this out special water districts, all kind of places. So job. Nothing better. Bother people. Just bothering people. I didn't come up to you guys at all. You came up to me. You drove out the middle of nowhere. I came out and started looking at stuff and taking pictures. I haven't talked to you. I'm not bothering. You're bothering me. You're actually stopping me. Not there before you got here. Okay. Your point. Oh yeah. Yeah. In fact, that's actually I'm going to report. Yeah. Report it. You did that. You're going to report that I did that. Awesome. Well, do it. I hope you do. Yeah. So, I didn't have none of that, right? Cool. Awesome. So, this dude said he's going to file a false police report on camera. Like what a dumb comment to make. Oh, on camera. He's going to file a false police report and say that I did some damage to this vehicle. I just said that wasn't there before you got here. No, you said I'm going to report that you did that. I'm going to report that. Alright. I'm done talking to you, bro. You're just not intelligent enough to have this conversation. Anyways, public property. I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing. Then I'll be on my way. See you guys later. Oh boy. I always find it funny when it's like, don't touch our vehicles. Don't touch this. Bro, why are you claiming ownership over a public vehicle? Private vehicles I won't touch. I'll take pictures of them, but I won't touch them. You guys called the sheriffs. They're going to take forever. That's fine. It's fine. Well to you.
I agree with that. You guys understand this is all public and we have every right to take pictures, film. Well, you can't stop me. I mean, how would you stop me, right?
I never even said anything.
Then what's the issue? Why was your chief acting like a complete psychotic idiot?
We're gonna wait for the sheriff to just sort things out.
Sort what out? What are you gonna tell him? I damaged a vehicle. He already said he's gonna make a false police report, which I enjoy. I hope he does. That'd be awesome.
We didn't come over and talk to you until we saw touching.
To you?
Photos or videos.
No, I was taking pictures out front. And you guys all piled right out front and started talking to me. It's not true.
We asked you if you needed help or anything.
So the statement he made isn't true. That's my point.
I apologize. I didn't talk to you until I saw you touching vehicles.
Right. And then I just said, I'm checking the tire. No big deal. I can touch them. That was it. No big deal. That's why I don't understand why you're high strung. Everybody's all high strung.
I don't know if you
I understand it's not something that you guys see every day somebody doing, but it's no big deal. It's the cops come, I'll go touch their car, do the same thing to their tires.
And that's why no one stopped you.
You're right, because you can't. But what is the point of everybody being all pissed off and all high strung and acting dumb? I don't get it.
Strange abnormal behavior.
Strange abnormal behavior picture. So nothing's wrong. Nobody did anything wrong. You know I could do this, but it's just strange. So that makes you guys act weird. No, that's not me. I don't steal. I make enough money. I don't have to steal anything. So.
Filming inside the cars.
What would you have that I want here? There's nothing here that anybody would want.
People steal stuff all the time.
Not anything from a fire station. Nobody's gonna go resell anything. People steal stuff to get money. So, anyways, yeah, I mean, all good. I'll look up any reports in the last 6 months of like break-ins over here and see if it's actually happened or not. You're just giving me more info to look up. We got the chief over here running a vehicle's number, which I think is funny. Even if it was my vehicle, obviously I wouldn't give a shit if they ran my numbers and got my name. My name's all over the internet. Once I put this video out, everybody's gonna know who I am anyway. Oh, it's funny. I don't need it.
Business card with all of my information on it, sir.
Don't need it. That away from me.
For your camera, here's my business card, all the information that's on it. Offering it to this gentleman, he's not accepting it.
Yeah, don't need it. I don't know who told you I needed it or wanted it, but what's he got back here? Yeah. He's blocking a truck in.
I don't think there's another one.
We're blocking vehicles in.
Any reason why? Yeah, of course. Yeah, no, of course. We're just trying to.
We're blocking vehicles in now.
I'm just parked there, sir.
That's all. You just parked there.
I'm just parked there.
Right in front of the other vehicle.
What's that?
Right in front of the other vehicle.
We actually don't know whose vehicle
I don't know who.
That's normal, right?
That's one of my firefighters' vehicles, I think.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, a minute ago you weren't yelling about getting the name and it's my vehicle and all that stuff.
I gave you my name, Chief.
No. Getting the name off the vehicle. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, I wanted to check and see if it was one of my firefighters, and I think it comes back to him.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So you understand that this is all legal, right? Well, so what was your reasoning for coming and acting the way you did, all irate and yelling and getting crazy like that?
You won't answer my questions. I'm not answering yours.
Oh, you work for the public. Is that correct?
No, I'm volunteer.
For the public.
No, I'm volunteer. I don't work for the public.
Yeah.
I don't get paid.
You volunteer for the public.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Volunteer.
Okay.
Don't
cool.
get a penny.
Oh, we'll look it up more. All good. There's a reason, just to give you a bit, I'll give you a little touch of info. A gentleman who used to work here asked me to come here and told me straight up that, hey, if you want a story about how these guys act, I have a bunch of information. I'll give you the story, but go check it out first and see how they act with you. And he mentioned your name specifically, and you guys acted exactly how he said you would act for somebody just walking through taking pictures. It doesn't make any sense, especially when you know it's legal and there's nothing wrong with it. How does it make sense to you to talk to?
I damaged the vehicle. He already said he's going to make a false police report, which I enjoy. I hope he does. That'd be awesome. We didn't come over and talk to you until we saw you to get photos and videos. No, I was taking pictures out front. You guys all pled right out front and then started talking to me. It's not true. He asked you if you needed help to MHM. So, the statement he made isn't true. That's my point. I apologize. I didn't talk to you until I saw you touching, right? And then I just said, I'm checking the tire. No big deal. I can touch them. That was it. No big deal. That's why I don't understand why you're high-struck. Everybody saw high-strung. I don't know. I understand. It's not something that you guys see every day somebody doing, but it's no big deal. It's the cops come. I'll go touch their car. I'll do the same thing to their tires. That's why no one stopped, right? 'Cause you can't. But what is the point of everybody being all pissed off and in all high-rung and acting dumb? I don't get it. Strange abnormal behavior. Strange abnormal behavior. Picture. So nothing's wrong. Nobody did anything wrong. You know, I could do this, but it's just strange. So that makes you guys act weird.
Walking off the streets, coming into the building, and you're talking to them about sexual and what like
yes,
that.
because that's what I'm here for.
And there's a juvenile
I'm trying
here.
to protect children.
Yes.
I'm
yes,
trying to protect
yes,
children
yes,
here.
yes,
and if you're saying she's uncomfortable, well, do you think those children are uncomfortable being assaulted?
And there's a child with her as well, Leroy. And you're talking about sex assault, and there's a juvenile sitting there with her, trying to get enrolled in school.
Well, at least Edwin Marinas doesn't work with that kid whipping his out.
Yes, we can't talk about whipping things out in front of a kid. The kid was just here, Leroy. Think about the position that you're putting us in with that.
There's no position.
Yes, you're talking about sex assault in front of a kid, and
I'm asking a parent to help protect other children.
And they will. And we're asking you to leave it.
No, I'm not. I'm going to finish my work here.
We just finished them keys.
I'm going to.
Thank you.
Because I have a right to be here.
Yes.
I have not broken any law, have I?
No, but
Yeah, actually, yes. You're infringing. The woman right now may have felt harassed or uncomfortable that when you asking those things in front of a child.
I'm trying to help protect children here.
Yes.
And that's the bottom line. That's why I'm here.
You're talking about sex assault in front of a woman with her son.
What is worse? Asking a mother if she will help protect the other school children,
there's a place.
Oh my God!
There's a place and time for everything.
I ask you to stop, Lieutenant.
There's a place and time.
You are not.
There's a place.
You are
and
not
time
the
for
word
everything.
police, Lieutenant Gaston.
No, neither are you.
Police.
Neither are you the word police.
I'm not the
There's a
word
place
police.
and time.
I'm the freedom
If she
man.
feels as though uncomfortable about you talking about sex assault to her, then
Is that?
and that she's in a public building, which you're trying to say, she should be able to come and go without be made uncomfortable. Just like you. Your rights.
That's not on. That's not on me. Okay, stop. I want to finish this.
All right.
You're doing cosplaying right now. I'm not interested.
I'm doing, and you were doing agitating. You're trying to agitate.
I'm trying to protect children from sexual assault, for God's sake. That's what I'm trying to do for over a month here.
Are you that or grandstand?
See,
or grandstand.
Now,
the reality is,
you are going down the tubes, Lieutenant Gaston. You need to close your mouth, stop talking,
I don't need to close my mouth.
I
don't. As long as I don't
stop, disengage, de-escalate, disengage.
You de-escalate.
Stop talking.
I don't have to de-escalate because I'm not.
Shut your mouth.
Don't tell me.
I have a right to speak here.
Listen. All right.
No, you're not being respectful to me right now.
You're not being respectful.
Stop talking to me.
And then I can speak to you.
Stop talking to me.
If I ask you, time out.
Disengage.
No, I want to talk to you about the law. Now I want to talk to you about the law.
I am going to finish this right now.
If I ask you the time and place to debate.
Look at this.
The time and place to
He escalated. What a mess. Welcome, this is Lieutenant Gaston, Union City Police. Can you stop talking? I want to finish my open request.
The time to debate
stop
an
talking.
issue whether the
we don't need to hear this.
The legality of something is in the courtroom, not in the field. If I ask you to do something, just calm down. There's no reason for you to yell at me or attack in any way, shape, or form.
Stop talking. Disengage. Remove yourself from me. I have no interest in talking with you.
But you're on the show.
Back down.
On the show.
Back down.
The reality is, this is a buzzing building.
I want to finish my Oprah. You are disrupting my peace. You are harassing me now. Disengage.
I've asked you to leave. Guess what? You won. Hey! You won. Oh my God! I created assault. Oh my God! I created assault.
Hey, call.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Call. Oh shit!
No, stop.
Stop.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I did nothing wrong.
Relax.
He went hands on. I did nothing wrong. I'm relaxed.
Good.
Now he's claiming aggravated assault. He went hands on me. I did nothing to him.
Oprah requests.
For what?
Do you know what an Oprah request is?
For
the Board of Education. This is the Board of Education, right? Or am I in the wrong building?
Yeah.
Board of Education? Yeah, so Oprah stands for Open Public Records Act.
For what?
Oprah stands for Open Public Records Act.
I checked sporadic and I see that they just put these
How you doing today, sir?
all right, well. So every once in a while, I got like a shirt, put it on just so people phones go. I'll see you.
Excuse me?
Like Flores, like
Oh, no. What's your name?
Luis, ¿por qué está grabando aquí sin autorización?
No necesito autorización, papi, esto es público, ¿ok?
Público.
Did you see what you guys did to the last guy who was here recording? Remember the guy? He was sitting over here, and Gaston. You know Gaston? How he fell down? Yeah. I appreciate it, officer. Thanks. Thanks for explaining. So this officer actually honors his oath to the United States Constitution and told them he honored his oath, unlike Gaston, who disgraced his oath and fell down. I'm sorry? No, I don't need ID. I'm not going into doing. I have a right to do the open records request. I don't need an ID to do that. Right, but I'm not even. I don't want to go inside the building anywhere. I'm just in the lobby. I can't hear you.
The building doesn't put in the system.
Right. Yeah. That's what you're supposed to do. That's like what they tell you to do. Yeah. I'm not gonna do that. What do you feel? How do you know Lieutenant Gaston, Captain Gaston, of the Union City Police Department? What about the mayor, Brian Stack? I've gotten a lot of reports about some corruption and conspiracy happening. Oh, so you do know what the form is. I appreciate it. So this is the Open Public Records Act form here. So this is exactly where Leroy, right here, was sitting. So this is exactly where Leroy was sitting when Gaston